Today is our third day at the school. So now we are going to meet Lauren at Stuart Parlour Room.
Yeah, let's go together.
Okay, be careful. Awas ya.
Okay, jom kita masuk kawasan sekolah Stonyhurst, UK. Ini adalah pintu pagar lama.